Students, all of you are most welcome in the new session 2020-2021. As the whole world is facing pandemic corona, and unfortunately we are also among them. That's why all of us are compelled to stay home. But in this crucial juncture, we cannot stop our study. In order to start study, therefore, I have decided to start a new chapter that is known as Verb. As far as the chapter Verb is concerned, it plays a vital role in learning tense, voice, and narration. All of you are expected to pay attention towards this particular chapter. So first of all, we should know what is a verb. The word verb denotes three things. First one, action or activity. Second one, possession or relation. And third one, state of being. One by one, we will discuss over them. Some examples. To show action, he plays cricket. And second one, you make tea. It means he plays cricket. What does it mean? It means that he is running, he is bowling, he is batting. It means some work is done. So we can say that this word plays is a verb in the sentence. In the same way, in the second sentence, you make tea. In this sentence also, make is a verb. These two show action or activity. Second one, possession or relation. Mohan has a car. It means in this sentence has shows the ownership. Means Mohan is the owner of that car. Sita had two sons. It shows relation. How? Because Sita is the mother and these two sons are her sons, etc. whatsoever. State of being. It shows the situation, position, condition about somebody or something. Here are some examples. Mr. Modi is the PM of India. What does it mean? It means that it shows the rank of Mr. Modi. He is holding the post of Prime Minister. How does it come? It comes by the help of this one. So we can say that is also a verb. He was absent yesterday. Was shows the situation of him. And they are ill. The sentence shows the condition of them. Now, kinds of verb. There are two kinds of verb. First one, main verb. It is also known as principal verb or full verb or ordinary verb. The verb which has meaning of its own or has five forms is called main verb. In brief, we had better understand the verb which has five forms is called main verb. There are some examples. Go, went, gone, going, goes, come, came, come, coming, comes, write, wrote, written, writing, writes. Kinds of main verb. Transitive verb. The verb which always takes an object or two is called main verb. It means this verb will always take a verb or two. This verb will always take an object or two. Here are some examples. Sita sings a song. In this sentence, a song is the object of the verb sings. He gave me a book. In this sentence, there are two objects. First one me and second one a book. How to find out? So, in order to find out objects, we use either what or whom. What is used for things, whom is used for persons. Question: what did he give me? A book. Answer: whom did he give a book? Me. So we can say, we can understand that the verb give has two objects. First one a book and second one me. So these two are objects and the verb give is. Therefore, the verb give is the transitive verb. Did you understand or not? I hope that all of you must have understood. Now, intransitive verb. The verb which never takes any object is called intransitive verb. Here are some examples. Go, come, run, laugh, weep, cry, sneeze, cough, etc. By the help of example, let's understand. He goes to school. I have made two question sentences. First one, what does he go? The answer is no. And whom does he go? The same thing, no answer. Therefore, we can say that this verb go in this sentence is intransitive and the group of words to school daily is known as complement. Clear? Okay, fine. Now, let's understand about helping verb or auxiliary verb. Means the verb which is used to help a main verb in the formation of sentences based upon tense and voice is known as helping verb. He is playing cricket. In this sentence, there are two verbs. First one is, second one playing. The last one is the main verb and is helping the main verb playing. So we can say that is the helping verb and playing is the main verb. In the same way, you are taught English, are is helping, taught is main verb. You have been taught English. In this sentence, have and been are helping verbs and taught is the main verb. One more thing I would like to make clear that if there is only one sentence in a sentence, that verb is known as main verb. If there are two or more than two verbs in a sentence, the last one is known as the main verb and rest of the verbs are known as helping verbs. Now, kinds of helping verb. There are two kinds of helping verb. First one is known as primary helping verb. The verb which behaves like a main verb and a helping verb both is called primary helping verb. Basically, it is 3 in number. They are as follows. First one, be, second one, do, and third one, have. One by one, I want to give you two examples. In the first example, you will see the use of be as a main verb, and in the second, you will see the verb be as the helping verb. He will be a doctor. In this sentence, be is the main verb, and in the second sentence, he will be taught. Be is the helping verb. And in the second, do, I do my work. Do is main verb. They do not study. In this sentence, do is helping verb, study is main verb. In the same way, have. You have a car. In this sentence, have is the main verb and you have come to learn English. In this sentence, there are two verbs. First one have, second one come. So we can say have is the helping verb and come is the main verb. Now, as per the definition of primary helping verb, it behaves like both means as the main verb as well as the helping verb. If it behaves like a main verb, then there must be 5 forms of these 3 means, be, do and have. So I am giving you example. So the form of be, am and are is V1, was and were is V2, been is V3 and being is V4 and is V5. I hope that you must have understood. Now, second one, do. V1 is do, V2 is did, V3 is done, V4 is doing and V5 is does. In the same way, we can have 5 forms of have also. Have, V1, had, V2, had, V3 and having, V4 and has, V5. So we can say that the total number of primary helping verb is 11 and these 11 are am, are, is, do, does, did, has, have and had. These 11 verbs can be used in the both senses, means as a main verb as well as a helping verb. Let's have one example. I am a teacher. In this sentence, there is only one verb. This one is main verb. And in the second sentence, I am teaching you. So, in this sentence, am is helping verb and teaching is main verb. So, for today, it is more than sufficient. The rest will be taught in the next class. Till then, goodbye and stay home and be safe.